Okay, so we have Everly's room almost all the way packed, the guest room somewhat packed. I'm still working on it. Today we're gonna get started on Jaden's room, the kids' bathroom, the guest bathroom, which is right behind me, and the playroom. But we're in like this awkward stage where I don't want to start packing everything because we're still gonna be using it for the next, like, I think we close in like 2 weeks exactly. So it's like if I don't pack it now and let them keep playing with everything, then I'm gonna be screwed and I'm gonna have to do it all at the last minute. But if I do pack it now, then they have nothing to play with or use for the next 2 weeks. So I'm like, I don't know, I don't want to wait till the last minute, but I also don't want to pack everything up now so that they don't have anything. I don't know, I'm freaking out. So let me show you the progress. So, hi. So these are just the shoes I found up in this closet and some, where is it? Some school stuff that I'm gonna be keeping for the kids. These are some clothes I'm gonna be keeping. Instead of using moving boxes for the clothes, I'm just gonna be using suitcases. That way it's like 2 birds, 1 stone. So now we're in Jaden's room. I'm gonna leave his posters up for a little bit longer. He and Everly are most likely going to be sharing a room, so I have to try and figure out a way to make it like decorated nicely for both of them together and not just one. So I've got his toys, his clothes, his entire closet, and then I'm not sure. Yes, you can. I think I'm gonna be selling this or putting it in my mom's storage as well as this. It was my brother's, so I don't really want to get rid of it. But then here's his closet. He doesn't really have too much, just a couple boxes of toys. So he has just a couple bins of toys, but he doesn't really play with any of them. So I might be getting rid of quite a bit of those. Then I'll show you the playroom. So just this dollhouse, which was just given us at Christmas, so I want to keep that. I'm gonna try and get rid of these 2 big bears because they just get in the way and there's not gonna be enough space. And quite frankly, I just can't stand them anymore. We've had them for years. And then we have these toys. And then that's pretty much the extent of up here, minus the kids' bathroom, but it's just like a couple things of medicine and soap and like toothbrushes, so nothing crazy. And I'm obviously gonna be keeping those where they're at so that we can continue to bathe them. But that's pretty much it. Right now I think I'm gonna start going through all of these. All of this is trash right here, this big bag. This is all of her toys that are coming. We cleaned up the closet. I think I already showed that. And then all of these clothes are clean that I just need to fold and start figuring out which ones we're keeping and which ones we're giving away because she cannot fit in a lot of them. So I have a lot to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. When I was recording last night, I managed to get into, I managed to pack everything up in the guest bedroom, mostly kind of, actually not really. I started packing things up in the guest bedroom and I made my way to the closet and got into this storage bin that was in there. And yesterday I spent all day looking for my tripod and could not find it anywhere. Like I tore this house up looking for it. Finally had to buy one for $60 at Best Buy just so that I could film all this, and did like a last minute order, picked it up, used it. The second I come in here and go through that Tupperware thing or the storage thing, I found my tripod. And I also found a couple other things that I've been looking for and just repurchased because I couldn't find them all in that one spot. So that was lovely. I loved that for me. There's the tripod. Oh, packing tape. I went and spent a bunch of money on a bunch of packing tape like this. And of course it is right there in that box. So that was just a really fun surprise. I loved that, really enjoyed it. But now I'm gonna put you guys back on the tripod and finish this room. I'm still getting used to this tripod. And I'm gonna finish this room in here and then make my way to the playroom. All of this is trash, like giveaway. I don't really think I can give away like single shoes because I don't know where the matches are, and There's also some old clothes. I tried taking a bunch of stuff to Plato's Closet to sell it, and they only took like 3 things. And I'm not gonna make a trip there just for this. So I think I'm going to do like Goodwill for a couple of these, and then the rest just chuck them. So I'm gonna get my trash pile started.
Being alone, well, I don't care, 'cause right now
these are actually the shoes I wore in my wedding.
I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that.
Okay, and then this right here I think is going to end up being mostly trash. So let's see.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Okay, so I'm finding more suitcases. The suitcases, like I said earlier, I think I said, I don't remember, I'm gonna be using to pack all of our clothes in, linens and stuff like that. I'm out of breath. So there's another one of those just to save money on moving boxes. I posted in my local like mom groups or whatever, or neighborhood groups, asking for moving boxes, and I got like 10. So I'm just trying to use those for the more essential, like heavier items like plates and stuff.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a bar in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a bar in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who's left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, want you back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart? I want you back, want you back. Yeah, I want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory. Got you stuck in my memory. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where
go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. Inside, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. Cause I just wanna see the light.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. 'Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. 'Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away